Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can import data into Pipedrive. So this is useful when transferring contacts, deals, or companies from another CRM or spreadsheet, saving your time and avoiding manual entry. So the first thing that you will have to do after logging in is go to your contacts or deals, and what you will have to do is you will just have to click this three dots button right here, and then you will just have to click import data and just wait for it to load. So yeah, it may take a while depending on your Wi-Fi or yeah. Anyway, once you're here, what you will have to do is you will just have to select CSV or other CRM, and then of course you will upload your file. So yeah, anyway, you will just have to upload your spreadsheet here, and once you've already uploaded, you will just have to click next, and then you will map fields. You will match your spreadsheet columns to Pipedrive's field, and you will ensure that the data goes into the right sections. And then after that, you will just have to preview by checking for errors, and then after that, you will click start import and wait for the completion. And of course, the final step, which is you will verify the data by opening imported contacts and deals and confirm that all data is accurate. So yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.